3-year-old,
Yeah.
your siblings, and your mom taking care of them.
Yes. 3 and 5.
How many siblings do you have?
6.
6
I
kayo.
have
Pang ilan ka?
3.
You're the third.
Ako lang mag-isang girl.
You're the only,
Girl.
oh, you're the only daughter.
Yes.
Tapos nag-asawa na. But also married now. Diba? Kaloka. Ano yung what's the hardest part of being a mom?
Yung yung nababantayan mo yung anak mo ng maayos.
Hardest yung pinakamahirap maging isang ina.
Ay, yung mga pagsubok na hindi mo nabibigay sa bata.
The
Oo,
one
tsaka
that
pag
you cannot give
nagkasakit,
your child, and when
lalo
they
na,
are sick,
lalo na pag nagkasakit yung bata.
if they are sick,
Yeah.
you cannot take, you're gonna be worried. You can't even sleep, right?
Mm-mm.
We can't even sleep if they are sick because we worried what we gonna do.